Hey Andrew, my name is Mary, and I just want to say thank you for speaking with me earlier today. I wanted to just get on this video and speak briefly about the three things I found on your website that you guys can easily improve to beat out fence installers in your area. As you can see, if you search up any, of certain keywords like fence installations Atlanta, or if you search up fence companies in Gwinnett County area, you want to make sure that you're being seen in the content area right here, which is what we call the Google Map Pack. And also you're being seen on the first and second page of Google, because when you're not being seen on the first and second page of Google, this is beating you out by 70% of people that are looking for a fence company to help them out. They already don't want to look past that third, fourth, fifth, sixth page. They stop at 1 to 2 pages. And we want to make sure that we get you guys on that first and second page, just so you guys are being seen, because you have an impeccable team. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing is that Google cares about content, right? So 2,000 words to be optimized with Google in their eyes. It makes the customer stay longer on the page. I know that you don't have about 2,000 words on the first page. And this is what is making Google say, well, they're not really optimized. Now, your competitors have over 2,000 words, but it's all right. That's beatable. We can make sure that we have more words on your guys' page. So that way Google is saying, well, they have more keywords, more references. We want to go with them to push them onto the first page. And the second thing that I wanted to discuss with you is going to be what we call backlinks. Now, I do use a couple sites on here. One of them is going to be called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a site that kind of breaks down your website for me. It gives me how much traffic you're getting per month. It gives me your organic keywords, your referring domains, and your backlinks. Now, on your backlink side, you have 129 right now. And although, that's good for having an organic backlink, and that's exactly what we were looking for, is organic backlinks, but your competitors have 2.82K, so almost 3,000 backlinks. But don't worry, we can definitely take their backlinks. It is really, really easy. Now, explaining a backlink. Backlinks is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is it's like a popularity contest, or like an A+ student. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for you, but you want to make sure they're relevant to you, because you don't want to click on one of these backlinks and it's a backlink that's going to Pizza Hut, and you guys are a fancy company. That would make no sense to you. It wouldn't be a reliable backlink because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living, so that wouldn't make any sense. Now, the third thing I want to talk about is going to be your keywords. Your keywords are very important. So right now, organically, you have one person coming in every single month, and they have about 2,000 people coming every single month to view their website, and they have 3.9 keywords, and you guys have 3 keywords. And keywords, I mean, they're crucial. That's how we found them in the first place. It's anything that you Google into here. So if you were to Google fence installations, Buford, right? Buford, Georgia. We want to make sure that we see you guys on any of these first pages at all. And right now, currently, we don't see you guys in the first page. And you also want to make sure you're being seen in the citation area as well. So Citations is another site that I use, is a Whitespark. Whitespark is going to explain to me how many citations you guys currently have. And currently right now, you guys have 23 citations. Your competitors have 61. Their citations aren't actually very high for all of this work that they put into their site. And that is also something that we can definitely beat out. You want to have at least triple citations. We like to keep it around 100 to 200 citations, because this pushes you and it ranks you into the Google Map Pack, which is exactly what I was talking about right here. You're gonna be seen through here. And the way we find that is through making sure we put your business name, your phone number, your business address on here. You can put your hours of operation if you would like. And this is what's going to make people see you more as well, because this is the first thing you see on Google when you Google a fence company or anything in that area. So yeah, we could definitely beat them out with that. And the third thing, like I was saying, to talk about is definitely going to be those keywords. So we can take a lot of their keywords that they have in here, and we could put them on your site, so that way you're being ranked higher. I know that I tried to make this as brief as possible. I know you guys are busy. You have a lot of things going on. I would love to do a deep dive with you, Andrew. We can go more into depth of maybe where you see your company going in the next 5 years, with social media marketing, with digital marketing in general. And I really look forward to speaking to you on the phone on Monday and looking forward to talk to you. My name is Mary, like I said, and my business number is 775-402-2885. But my personal number is 541-525-7015. And I'll be linking it in the email as well. But thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing your feedback and also look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one. Thank you. Bye-bye.